Welcome back, everyone. Remember, clean hands save lives. So, you know the magic of videos, honey. So, we are about to start on the black elderberry gummies. I try not to do everything instant. I'm old-fashioned. I put my water on the stove to let it boil, like so. So, the thing is that there is a chemistry to be able to make the perfect gelatin gummies. So, if you get these 4 packs in the box, 1 pack per cup. That's how it's broken down, 1 pack per cup, to be able to figure out how to get the perfect gelatin, aka gummies. You don't want it watery, you don't want it to break down, but you want it to be actual gummies. These are some older ones that I made. Those are my personal. They got moonshine in it. This is good for first thing in the morning or late at night when you gotta go to sleep. That's better than Jesus juice. I'm trying to tell you. So, you need some kind of spray oil. I love coconut spray oil. I'm just gonna guesstimate. I'm just gonna do 1. Just spray a little bit. Prevents them from sticking. So we're gonna move on over here. Boiling water. That's about a 1/2 cup. Hot water. We're gonna take 1 of these packs of gelatin, unflavored. You gotta mix it up like so. Make sure there's no lumps, no lumps. And now, I'm going to take a little bit of black elderberry syrup. A little bit more. Boom. There you go. 1 cup. And that's the black elderberry syrup and the gelatin mix. 1 cup liquid. I'm a Taurus. I tend to overthink, so I like to really make sure there's no kind of lumps. Bada boom, bada bam. Gonna get a plate. Boom, booyah. And now, A little bit at a time. Y'all probably wonder why my dogs are so quiet. They taking them a little nap time. When the babies sleep, that's when I'm actually able to do my DIYs. Little fur babies can be a handful sometimes. Bada boom. But now you want to make sure you get a piece of paper towel and just clean off all that extra. And we will be back once this is completed. Ting! So, we about to take out the gummy bears and let's see how they going. Woo! Gummy bear galore. Let me just go ahead and pop this little buddy on out. Ooh, let me get the little gummy bear. Bada bing, bada boom. At least I know what's inside of those gummy bears. Handmade right here in this kitchen in Mesa, Arizona. Ooh, yes, God. Those are delicious. See, the little gummy bear, just pop them right on out. See, bada boom, bada bam. And now, that's the final product. The little white spots that you see is, however, the coconut oil that we used to lubricate it in the beginning so that it would not stick. And my suggestion would be to do 3 a day if you're not sick. If you have a fever or anything, do 3 every 3 hours until you feel better. My suggestion. This does not have any alcohol in it, so you don't have to worry about being intoxicated from taking gummy bears. These are absolutely safe for kids above the age of 1 because it has honey in it. Honey is not safe for children underneath the age of 1. But if they're older than 1, no problem. They will love these gummy bears forever and ever. They're healthy, they're sweet, and they have natural fruit in it. Until next time, make sure you like,